Hi all and welcome back to Budget Hybrid Bike Build Part 2. We're looking at the giant cadex aluminium today. It's running a set of 700C Miche Excite wheels. Really nice hubs on these. Flat spokes are lovely and really impressive for the price point. Max's High Road 700 by 25C. Running a tiagra front brake and tiagra flat bar levers. Ritchie grips and just some normal bull bars just to give you an option on the hand positions that you can run on this bike. Those Ritchie grips are actually really quite comfortable. I'd recommend them. You can also see a 1996 giant TCR stem on this. Came off an old Onset bike that I had at one stage, and you have extenders for the cables up to the flat bars. These would have originally come with a friction shifter. This giant frame the paint is holding up quite well. A couple of chips around the seat tube, but nothing really too bad. And a Bontrager Velocomp saddle. I'm running some practicalities like a bag with a spare tube and a pump. I'm just looking at the front Tiagra crankset and double derailleur on the front. Shimano SPDs. These are 170mm long. Feel really nice, really quite premium. This is also a Tiagra chain. 10-speed and Tiagra rear derailleur. The only bit of carbon fibre there is the sticker on the back, so no carbon fibre on this bike. Those Miche, like I said, I'm really impressed with them so far. And the rear Tiagra is there still with the blue sticker on the back because I haven't actually got around to fettling this fully yet. Still a couple of small things to sort out, like the seat height and possibly the seat angle. So it's really nice, really impressed with this bike so far. Let's look at it in silence for a second. I'm really happy with this build so far, a really fast hybrid frame. And I'd just like to go through some of the gears with you and show you how well it shifts. Tiagra is not really that bad of a component choice. People turn their nose up considering we have 11 and 12 speed out there now, but watch how this shifts. Now I am doing this one-handed, so I have to take my hand off for each shift, but it shifts absolutely beautifully, even under load. Just going up the gears here, there's no problem reaching these bigger gears at all. Really impressed with the quality of the Shimano stuff. I know that they're rebranding and kind of doing a few different things lately, bringing out some new group sets that I don't know if I fully agree with. I kind of like the old stuff, but I suppose that's the way of the times. Things are getting changed. So please join me again for more videos in the future. Thanks.